Hi, today we are here at Shanghai Auto 2025, and I'm here at the Dolby booth and trying to learn some new experience for content creators and different tools for bringing Dolby experiences to different screens.
All right. So shall we begin? Yeah. So Dolby Vision is a technology that focus on improving every single pixel quality. So we always go from the content creation. So basically, we have different kind of workflow. For example, this is a premium workflow. It is designed to create the high quality movies and dramas, episodic comments. So first step, we will ingest the log or raw data file into the grading software like DaVinci Resolve. So this is a hammer wall, and we already graded into P3, P65, and PQ curves. So this is very first step. And to do so, we need a high quality HDR monitor. Like what you can see the small here, it is a 1000 nits HDR monitor. So once we finish this step, then we go to the Dolby Vision metadata equation. Because Dolby Vision metadata is very, very important to our overall workflow because we need the metadata to let the content to be intelligent, to automatically adapt it into different kind of consumer screen. So to do so, we made another SDR monitor here. Then we can analysis all the metadata of every single shot. And once we have the metadata of this shot, we can use the Dolby Vision algorithm to map it into any target you define. For example, we always start from the SDR 100 nit 709 targets here. So this is a SDR target, which means when we deliver the Vision content into the service, the least best experience will be like this one.
Okay,
Yes.
there's a least one.
Yeah, least one. Yeah. So the highest one and the least one. And we can control the quality of the SDR target here by either using the trim pass here, right, or you can use the this panel. There, for example,
Does it do for the full scene or for part of the scene also can be done?
it is scene by scene,
Shot, I see.
shot by shot. Yeah. So you can do every single shot they have. Yeah, every frame. Wow. Yeah. So yeah, that's the basic workflow. Once you are happy with both the HDR image and the SDR image, you can export to any master format.
Got it. Yeah. And is a frame rate important or it's independent of the frame rate?
Independent.
Independent.
Independent of frame rate and resolution set.
Resolution as well.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Does the Dolby audio also can be done in the same beat or you have to do it separately?
Yeah, typically for film content, it is separated. You need a professional colorist to do the image, and a professional mixer to do the audio. And at the very last step, the engineer will combine the two together.
Right. And in many movies these days, there are a lot of special effects, which is computer graphics. So does it apply to the computer graphics under this different algorithm for that, or with the natural scene, or how does that work?
Well, actually, the visual effects happens in much lighter color gamuts and much wider contrast ratios. For example, they are working in linear space or in ACES.
Okay.
So that kind of workflow can adopt into the Vision. So basically, we have the raw data sent to the VFX house, and they send back the VFX shot in the same format, where you go to the DaVinci Resolve to render them into HDR and SPR.
And can this be applied to gaming as well? Gaming is just for video.
Gaming, this workflow is only for video. Or for gaming, we have a very different workflow because game is rendered from the gaming engines like Unity. Yeah, so that's a very different workflow.
So you have to work with Unity.
We already have a plugin working in Unity. Yeah, yeah. So,
Great. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
welcome.